Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Commerce Pathshala. So here we will continue our next topic of PPC. PPC illustrates central problem कि PPC से कैसे central problem arise हो रही हैं. Like there are three major problem what to produce. Firstly we will discuss. We already know there are two goods like wheat and cloth and resources are constant. If the production of one good is increased, then production of the second good we have to be decreased because resources are constant. So what to produce में major problem कौन सी आएगी? Allocation of resources across their different uses arise. कौन सी problem आएगी? Allocations of resources कि how we will allocate our resources between these two goods like wheat and cloth. कौन सी good में ज़्यादा resources लगाएं या कौन सी good में कम resources लगाएं. So जब हम PPC concept use करते हैं तो what to produce में this type of problem will arise. Main problem is allocation of resources across different uses. Now next is PPC and how to produce. How to produce means technique. So if we use modern technology, it means efficient technology. Yeah, you can say capital intensive technique. Then production will increase. Yeah, PPC will shift from left to rightward. Like new PPC is suppose A, B. This one is the new PPC. It means production will increase from like AB points to C, D and E now. Earlier production was only up to like A and B point because earlier PPC curve is suppose C and this one D. Old PPC curve when we use traditional या inefficient technology या you can say labor intensive technique. It means how to produce में PPC कैसे shift करता है when we use modern technology. Next is PPC and for whom to produce. For whom to produce we know very well between rich section या poor section. So if distribution of income is in favor of rich, अगर rich की favor है automatically saving is more then investment will more and output या production will more and PPC will shift from the CD curve to AB curve. It means new this one curve. And if distribution of poor is in the hands of distribution of income is in the favor of poor के पास है automatically saving will low then investment also low and output will also low. Automatically production will go down like PPC curve C and D. This is the low production and AB curve show high production. Next is fuller utilization of resources. Like if like जो भी पॉइंट्स हैं A, B, C, D and D's, ठीक है, दिस इज़ मैक्सिमम आउटपुट लेवल या पोटेंशियल हम इतना प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं अप टू दीज पॉइंट्स. दिस इज़ द मैक्सिमम लेवल ऑफ आउटपुट. इट मीन्स fuller utilization of resources. Like with the help of fuller utilization of resources we can produce these points like up to A point combination we can produce B, C, D. These are the इट मीन्स क्या है यहाँ पे फुलर यूटिलाइजेशन हो रहा है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ एक्चुअल लेवल ऑफ द आउटपुट इज़ विच वी एक्चुअली अटेन. जो हमने एक्चुअली अटेन कौन सा किया है लाइक ई एंड एफ हमने यहाँ तक ही आउटपुट को प्रोड्यूस किया है. हम कितना कर सकते थे यहाँ तक कर सकते थे जो एक्चुअल में ये पीपीसी कर्व है यहाँ तक हम प्रोड्यूस कर सकते थे अगर हम यूटिलाइज करते रिसोर्सेज को प्रॉपरली. बट वी हैव यूज्ड द रिसोर्सेज इन एन इनइफेक्टिव वे या यू कैन से लाइक इन प्रॉपर वे. तो यहाँ ऑटोमेटिकली आर प्रोडक्शन विल गो डाउन. एक्चुअल लेवल ऑफ आउटपुट आपका कम रह गया. एट मैक्सिमम आप कितना प्रोड्यूस कर सकते थे. दिस इज़ योर एक्चुअल पीपीसी कर्व. Now last one is growth of resources. This is very simple. Like growth of resources, if you have more resources then automatically you will produce more and your PPC curve will shift from left to rightward. Like new PPC curve is B and D. Like if you have less resources then automatically your production will go down and PPC curve will show shift from right to leftward. Like new PPC curve is A, C. This is the less resources and when you have more resources then new PPC curve is B and D. So this is all about the PPC topic. In next video we will start opportunity cost. Thank you so much.